Hi, my name is Marlon Ferney Diaz Vera. I am 23 years old. I was born in the city of Bucaramanga. My profession is a welding supervision technologist. I had a beautiful family formed by my father, my mother, and two brothers. My father is Pedro Julio Diaz Alvarez. He is 61 years old. His profession is a construction teacher. He is a very loving and humble person. My mother is Rosaide Vera Esteban. She is 52 years old. My mother is a housewife. She takes care of my brothers and is always attentive to the home. I am the older brothers of three brothers. My second brother is Jonathan Diaz Vera. He is 21 years old. He is a programmer of CNC machines. He is a very intelligent and handsome. My brother is Miguel Angel Diaz Vera. He is 14 years old. He is a student of the school Luis Carlos Galán Sarmiento and he is in 18th grade. He is a very humble and creative chief. Thank you.